Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you now how to pay multiple store on 1688 Chinese shopping app, and this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo, 1688, Taobao, Idlefish, Alibaba, or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's go straight to the tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for product on 1688 Chinese shopping app. One of the first easy way is to simply scroll down from the home page right here. The more you scroll down, the more different product is going to load up. However, we can come to the top right here, click on here, and then type the name of the product we are looking for. This is known as type search. Or alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allows you to upload the product picture sample, and this is known as image search. After you have searched for product, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and add the product to cart. If you don't know how to add a product to cart on 1688, consider to check out the video on my channel. I have made step-by-step video on how you can add a product to cart, because I can no longer do that right here in this video because of the fact that the product we are paying for here is multiple product right here. So once you are able to add a product to cart, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and visit your cart. So I'm going to go straight to my cart right here. Click on down below right here to open up your cart. Then you have all the products right here. So from your cart here, you can start selecting the product one after the other. So I'm paying for this product right here. I will scroll down, I'm paying for this. I will scroll down, I'm paying for this. And I'm paying for this. I will scroll down, I'm paying for this. And I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, and I'm paying for this, 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 and I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this. Finally, I'm paying for this. So after you have selected everything you are paying for, then the next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So here we go. From the checkout right here, you see the amount I'm paying, including the local logistic fee. You can scroll down right here and preview of everything. So when you get to checkout right here, if you have not had your shipping address, you'll be required to add your shipping address right here. So once you add your shipping address, scroll down and preview everything and be sure that all are correct before you proceed with payment. So next thing we want to do here is to come down below right here, click on here to proceed to payment. So from the payment section at the checkout right here, so you can see there are so many ways you can use to make payment on 1688 now. So in this tutorial, I'm using Alipay. However, you can use USD card or any local currency available to you, either Master or Visa card. You can use it to pay for your goods. But in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay to pay for these goods, the sum of 235.15 yen to purchase all these goods. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed with the payment. So allow your Alipay to connect, or whatever bank card you link to connect. Once it's connected, you will be asked to authorize your payment, just like so. So I'm going to enter my payment password right here. And the payment will be successful. Just like what you see right here, you can see a debit alert coming in from my Alipay right here, which simply means that the payment has been successful, and it automatically take me right here. So as at the time of making this video, I pay for about 16 multiple different stores with my Alipay, just like what you see right here. Okay, So next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and make a screenshot of this particular part right here, because someone asked me to pay for them for their goods on 1688. After I screenshot the part, then I'm making sure I click on here to close this pump up right here. Then I'll go ahead and click on here to confirm that all the goods has been paid for. So right here on my profile, if I click on here now, you are going to see everything right here, just like what you see right here. These are all the goods right here. Finally, I will go ahead and send a proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp right here. So open up my WhatsApp. So right here, this is the person that asked me to pay for them. You can see all my conversation with them, how we start and how we eventually end up from make the purchase of all the goods. And for me to send the proof of payment, I'll simply click on here, and at the same time select the proof of payment, and I will say goods purchase, payment made, then send. So it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import and ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.